Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English better step by step. To begin your journey, it's crucial to establish a strong foundation. Start by grasping the fundamental grammar rules and basic sentence structures. Dedicate at least 30 minutes every single day to focused study, ensuring consistent progress. Setting specific, measurable goals, like learning 10 new words each week, will also keep you motivated and on track. Next, immerse yourself in the language and practice actively. Listen to English podcasts, watch films, and read books to expose yourself to natural usage. Make an effort to speak English with native speakers or fellow learners for at least 15 minutes daily. Additionally, try writing short journal entries or emails in English every day to improve your written communication skills. To truly enhance your English, focus on expanding your vocabulary and mastering grammar. Aim to learn 5 to 10 new vocabulary words every single day, using flashcards or a dedicated notebook. Practice grammar rules through targeted exercises, ensuring you understand their application. Most importantly, actively use these new words and grammar structures in your daily speaking and writing to solidify your learning. Finally, consistency and regular review are paramount for long-term success. Make sure to review all learned material, including vocabulary and grammar, at least once a week to ensure better retention. Tracking your learning progress, perhaps through a simple log, will help you identify areas needing more attention. Remember, staying consistent with your study routine, even for just 30 minutes daily, yields significant results over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.